Hello YouTube, Motor Car Guy here. Welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing of this 1965 El Camino pickup with custom camper. Make it a drag version if you want, which I'm going to. Custom steering wheel, got custom grill body parts, has a stock shift control. Comes with a Hirsch shifter, bucket seats, drag slicks, mag wheels, basic. Well, it's Krager's. It says 144 parts. Okay, is this 64 or 65? Because on the license plate here it says 65. But on the box down here by the bar tag, it says 64. So, I don't know. Please tell me in the comments below. So, here is the El Camino body. Tailgate mold in bed. All I have to do is get some black and paint that if you wish. Here's our interior tub. Here's our basically one-piece frame. All I have to do is put the axles through, tires on, and you're done when it comes to assembling. We got the back half and the front half of our camper. And here's the roof and the sides with 2 tire backs and our custom steering wheel is ready to fall off. Here's our dash for the stock steering wheel, and then we got tire backs. Here's our bucket seats. We got 2 more tire backs. And then we got custom parts. Looks like we have a part of a wheelie bar. And here's another one that fell off the tree, but I'm not going to use them. Looks like we got hard hats. Looks like we got an old 6-pack. And something else, I'm not sure what it is. Then we got our 327 motor parts. And then this is a cross member that you can put over top of the one that's already molded in to raise the front end. It's basically kind of make it like a gasser. Then we got our hood, some tire backs, our firewall, license plates, radiator, and seats. And then cut a hole out in the hood to make room for a blower. We got, looks like drag tires and stock tires. Then we got custom tires, 2 metal axles. Here's our all one-piece windshield and back glass. And then we got our headlights and tail lights. And then we got a custom, I guess, grill cover, some more headlights, and then we got our glass pieces for the camper. Then we got a big old chrome tree. We got Krager's, which is what I'm going to use. Some custom motor parts and all that. We got headers, bumpers, there's our stock wheels, console. Then we got blower parts on this tree. Then we got our decals. Drag Camino, 327 blown. We got sponsor stuff. I'm going to put on the Nationals or bus. I'm going to put that on the camper part. And then we got the Chevrolet. Some badging stuff. Chuck Miller is the driver. And some other stuff. And some stripes if we want, but I'm not doing that. And then onto our directions. So we start off with the stock. And then you could do like a little custom with dual carbs. And we get to the supercharged balloon, which is what I'm gonna go with. Stupid deep direction. Yeah. Then right here it says it's 65 El Camino. I'm confused if it's 64 or 65. I know they're similar because on the box it says it's 64 at the bar tag where you scan it. Boop. Here it says 65, so I'm still confused. Then we get to our tires. And then stock, and then nothing really to the frame other than that. That's for a raise for front drag, which I'm doing, and header extensions. Ooh. And then we got interior. We got to put our console up from the bottom. Never seen that before. Shifter and steering wheel to the dash. Seats in. I'm just going to get the normal stock seats because I like that better than the custom bucket seats. And then we got firewall in once we put the windshield and back glass in and interior tub. And yeah, cut along that, make room for supercharger, and then battery, water bottle, and radiator to the firewall. And then final assemblies, this is for the stock. Not much to it. And then here's a custom if you want to do a custom look. And here's racing, which is what I want to do. Basically, I'm going to build it stock, except it's going to be raised and have a blower sticking out of the hood. So I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and please like, comment, subscribe, and try to get me to 1,000 subscribers. Try to get my channel out there. And I just uploaded a YouTube short of the bass boat trailer on the shelf, so please go check that out.